Hi, I am Vivek Tripathi. I am here introducing that how we can introduce n rational number between two given rational number x and y. Now let us write this how we can introduce n rational number between two given rational numbers. Now let us consider that x is of form p1 by q1 and y is of form p2 by q2. Then next we have take the LCM of these numbers, means LCM of denominator q1 and q2 is equal to something. Let us consider that ql. For simplicity we take as q1 into q2. Then we convert x and y according to this LCM. Therefore x is equal to p1 q2 upon q1 q2 and y is equal to p2 q1 upon q1 and q2. Now next thing, we have to just take the difference between them, x curly minus y. X curly minus y means we have to just take the difference between them, not we have take the sign positive or negative. We have to just take the difference between them. Therefore the difference between them are given as p1 q2 curly minus p2 q1 upon q1 and q2. Then next thing, if we have to introduce n rational numbers between them, then we have to multiply n plus 1 in both numerator and denominator of the both rational number x and y. That is, x is converted as p1 q2 upon q1 q2 into n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and if we consider that p1 q2 upon q1 q2 is equal to x dash, therefore now leave that topic. We have write y as similarly, then y is becomes as p2 q1 upon q1 q2 into n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Therefore next thing is, what is the rational numbers between x and y which will we have to introduce between them. The next thing is how we can put the rational numbers is, let us consider that r1 dot 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 n is the n rational numbers which have to put between x and y. So this is the equal to the p1 q2 into n plus 1 plus 1 to dot 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 n 1 to dot dot n, and this is the we have to take this difference p1 q2 minus p2 q1 upon q1 q2 into n plus 1. Now we have to consider this formula from an example. Let us consider an question is 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. 2 by 3 and 5 by 7 are two rational numbers. We have to introduce three rational numbers between them. we have to introduce three rational numbers between them. Now, how we can solve this? We make the denominator of the both rational numbers are same. Means we have to take LCM of 3 and 7, which is equal to the 21, and then from this we can write 2 by 3, means x is equal to 2 by 3 is equal to 14 by 21 on taking LCM, and y is equal to 5 by 7, which is equal to 15 by 21. Now we have to introduce three rational numbers, then we have to multiply 3 plus 1 in both numerator and denominator of the both rational numbers. That is, x is equal to 14 into 4 upon 21 into 4, and y is equal to 15 into 4 upon 21 into 4. Means x is equal to 56 by 84 and y is equal to 60 by 84. And from this here we can also find the difference between them, means x minus y is equal to x curly minus y is equal to 15 minus 40, means 1 upon 21. Now put the all given data in this formula. We have R1 is equal to this is of the form of P1 Q2 n plus 1 upon Q1 Q2 n plus 1, and this is of the form P2 Q1 n plus 1 upon Q1 Q2 n plus 1. Then R1 is what? R1 is P1 Q2 n plus 1 upon Q1 Q2 n plus 1. Means we have to just write the value of x, means x plus something what? 1. We have to introduce first rational numbers, therefore we have to take first digit, means 1 into difference between them P1 Q2 minus P2 Q1 upon Q1 Q2 upon n plus 1, that is the value of 1 upon 21. Upon n plus 1 we have to write 1 upon n plus 1, and then R1 is equal to x plus 1 by n, and difference is what? 1 upon 21. Therefore we get R1 is equal to 56 by 84 plus 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 21, and this gives R1 is equal to 56 by 84 plus 1 by 84, that means this is equal to 57 by 84. Now for next rational number we have to write here 2 by n plus 1, and from this we get, if we have to find R2, then we have to write here 2, and from this we have to get 2 by 4 into 1 by 21, and from this here this is converted into 2 by 84, and this is converted into 58 by 84. Now next things, for third rational number, this is converted as R3, and this is 3 by n plus 1, and this can be written as R3 is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 21, and this is equal to the R3 is equal to 56 by 84 plus 3 by 84, and this can be written as 59 by 84. Now I think you can see here we can find just three rational numbers between them, which is exactly between them, means which have the same difference between each other, and x and y also. Therefore, from this we can find n rational numbers between any x and y. It is either positive or negative, or in any other form. Therefore, hence I want to say that this is if seem to be helpful for you, then please like and subscribe my channel. And if you consider any difficulties in mathematics or physics, then please comment me, and I trying to give you my best, and trying to making a video on that topic that is helpful for you. Okay, now bye, and please like and subscribe if you are new in my channel. Okay, bye.